Hey, what's up YouTube? I hope you'll be doing great, and if not then you must after watching this video, because today's video is really exciting as I have got my hands on the brand new W26 Plus Chinese smartwatch, which is actually a Apple Watch Series 6 replica. So I got this watch from Pakistani site Traz.pk. You can get it also in your country. The model is W26 Plus and it is a Chinese replica of the original Apple Watch Series 6, and the quality will be defined in this video. So if you guys want to purchase this, you can. The price is around $20 to $25. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into this package's unboxing. Alright guys, so I would just quickly cut this thing open and take out whatever is inside. So the first thing that we can see is the watch box itself, and another thing that I could feel in the packet was, okay, so this is a stylus pen. Well, we don't need that, so we'll put this aside and quickly pull out the lid on the box. Okay, so on the top we can see a user manual type of thing showing all the available colors for this watch, and inside that we get some instructions in Chinese and English language. After that we get another cardboard box, and inside these are the casual silicone straps, or we can call them the normal rubber straps. The quality is just satisfactory, and below that we get a 4-pin magnetic charging cable, and the actual thing is at the last. So let me just carefully pull this thing out. Okay, so the first impressions in hand are really nice. I mean, like, this thing has got some weight to it. On the right side we get a black crown button, and below that we have a power button. So let me press and hold this button to turn the watch on. I think this thing is out of charge, so we will connect it to the USB magnetic charging cable. While connecting it to the magnetic cable, make sure that you are connecting it in the right polarity. So if you are connecting it in the opposite way, it will repel, and if you connect it correctly, it would stick to the watch. But still, I think the connections are pretty loose. I mean that it can easily get disconnected. Well, I will connect it to my laptop USB charging port. You can use a simple 5-watt dock for charging this watch, and we will wait for this watch to turn on. Let me just try by holding the crown button on the side.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so the watch has finally turned on. I would remove it from charge and put these straps on to wear it on my hands and give you guys a review about this watch's quality, features and specs. Alright guys, so as I am a righty, I have put the longer strap above the crown button, and now let's check the elasticity of the straps. As you can see, the straps are pretty elastic. I mean, they can stretch out. So after that, the first impression that the watch gives is about its watch faces. So you can see there are a lots of cool watch faces available, and I know that we can add more watch faces through the app. So we would go into the QR code section and scan the QR code with our camera so that we can download the app for this smartwatch. After scanning the QR code, it will take you to the iWatch's website, from where you can select your operating system, whether you are using an Android phone or an iPhone, and then it will take you to the desired app store. So as you guys can see, I have already downloaded this app, and I have my previous watch, which was the MC72 Pro, connected to it. First of all, we will make sure that Bluetooth is on my current device. So you can go to BT settings and make sure that it is on. After that, disconnect any devices if it has already been connected to the iWatch app, and then tap on the plus button to add a new device. Now it is scanning for all available devices, and there we can see the M26 Plus. Just tap on that, and now as you can see, the M26 Plus is connected and paired successfully, and it will ask you for some permissions. You can allow them if you want. Succeeding the successful connection of the smartwatch with its application, it is all ready to be used and explored and have fun with. So without doing any further ado, let's jump straight into this watch's review, features and specifications. If we talk about the design and build quality, on the left side of the watch we have two holes for the built-in speakers. The back is made out of plastic with sensor and 4-pin charging point. On the right side we have the rotatable crown button, and below that is a hole for microphone and the power on and off button with a 2.5D curved screen. In terms of watch faces, M26 Plus smartwatch has many different pre-installed watch faces. You can switch between them easily in many ways, by rotating the button or by swiping on the home screen or via the Wear Fit Pro application. The heart rate sensor on this watch is not accurate because, as you guys can see, I will put the watch on my palm and check the heart rate on my palm. So as you guys can see, it will show the 72 beats per minute heart rate. Just like the heart rate sensor, this watch also has a feature to monitor our blood pressure, but again let me be very clear that this feature is also fake and do not rely on that. As I told you guys that I would be doing a honest review, this watch also has two more fake features, that are the temperature sensing, which is also not accurate, and another feature that is the blood oxygen level monitor, which also doesn't work. If we consider its battery timing, it can easily give you up to 5 to 6 hours of battery timing with always on display and up to 12 hours without always on display mode. Another feature that everyone considers while purchasing a smartwatch is its water resistance. So to check that, I will put it in my water tank for a while and then check if it still works or not. Of course, if it still works after removing it from the water tank, then it can easily be used while taking showers or while washing your hands. Surprisingly, this watch passed our water test and therefore it is water resistant. After removing it from the water, the watch was working perfectly fine without any lags or without any unresponsiveness. So this means that the watch is water resistant but not completely waterproof. Another great feature added to this watch is the Bluetooth calling feature, through which you can sync your contacts to the watch or dial in the phone number manually, as I am doing, and call anybody you wish to. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you guys have any comments related to this product, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.